This day in history, December 4th, 1783, George Washington resigns as Commander-in-Chief. George Washington formally relinquished his military authority to the Continental Congress. This act marked a pivotal moment in U.S. history, embodying the principles of democracy and civilian governance. His leadership during the Revolutionary War and subsequent resignation established a precedent for future leaders. 1861. The first U.S. Transcontinental Telegraph. The completion of this telegraph line revolutionized communication in the United States. It connected the East and West coasts, allowing messages to travel across the nation in a fraction of the time. This technological advancement played a critical role in unifying the country during a time of rapid growth and change. 1945. UN General Assembly convenes. The first meeting of the United Nations General Assembly took place. Delegates from 51 nations gathered to foster international cooperation and promote peace following World War II. The Assembly's formation represented a commitment to diplomacy and collective decision-making on global issues. 1991. The last Soviet military unit leaves Hungary. The withdrawal of the last Soviet troops marked the end of Soviet military presence in Hungary. This event signified diminishing Soviet influence in Eastern Europe after the Cold War. It highlighted the shift towards independence and self-determination among former Soviet satellite states. 1993. The Fourth World Conference on Women begins. This significant conference took place in Beijing, bringing together thousands of delegates to discuss women's rights. It focused on issues such as gender equality, empowerment, and the elimination of discrimination. The conference culminated in the Beijing Declaration, which has influenced women's rights advocacy globally. Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history, subscribe, like, and share.